So I'm out here messing around in my Wrangler and I have my 89 Islander. A couple of years ago, I had one of the best local audio stores, from what I heard, install my system, and they screwed it all up. it's I haven't been happy with it. It's just they're a bunch of hacks. So I put some new speakers in it a couple of years ago, and the speaker on the passenger side has been like making noises, crackly. So I went in there today, I put my hand up in there, and I kind of felt the loose wire. A couple weeks ago, I'd had enough of it crackling when I was driving around, and I'll show you what I found. So I pulled the speaker down, and the black wire is supposed to be like right here, and it broke off somehow. And like the red wire is supposed to be on here, and it's so loose that it just freaking comes like right off. It wasn't crimped on, and they use these cheesy little connectors too. So I'm gonna end up fixing this, and I gotta do something with this and make it a little bit better. Another thing that they did too is when I had my Tuffy box put in, they kind of slid it too close to the gear shifter, so I shift gears and the second gear hits the box right here. These guys are a bunch of hacks. So you probably watch me and Steve fix all kinds of cars. I tend to go over there a lot and record in his garage. He's got the Taj Mahal of garages. So Steve and I have been working together for, way over 30 years on cars at this point. You know, we don't cut corners. We show you guys how to do stuff the right way, and stuff like this just, pisses me off. It's just, you pay somebody to do a job, and that's why I like working on my own stuff. Hope you guys like the channel. I'm gonna get cranking on this, get the speaker working again so it's not crackling, and I can cruise down the road and crank some Motley Crue or something. Get some people mad at me. That's what Jeeps are all about, right? Stay tuned, guys.